This is the port time diagram experiment. So here, this is the reading calculation table. In this table, based on this table, we can take a reading for this port time diagram. Okay, here, what is the main purpose for the port time diagram? It is one of the R&T method experiments. Okay, because of based on these experiments only, we can design the two-stroke engine. Okay, so when the ports are opening, when the ports are closed. Okay, this is the concept of this experiment. There are three ports are there in the two-stroke engine. One is the inlet port, and then transfer port, and then exhaust port. So here, this is the inlet port. This one is the inlet port. This is the inlet port. Then this is the exhaust port. This one is the exhaust port. This is the exhaust port. Okay, transfer port is here transfer port is there. So here the transfer ports are there. There are transfer ports are there are 3 or 2 4 transfer ports are there. This is the transfer port. Okay, this one is the transfer port. This is the inlet port. This is the exhaust port. This is the transfer port. Okay, here there are 3 ports are there. When the ports are open, when the ports are closed. So how it will happen means by this method you can find out the angle of the crank. This is the crank flywheel. Whenever the crank flywheels are rotated, you can close the ports, and you can open the port and then take a reading. Okay, so first step, this is based on this tabulation. The inlet port open. Inlet port is, this is the inlet port. Here inlet port, here what it says means before TDC. Before TDC, inlet port open. So before TDC means this is the TDC, this is the PDC. TDC means top dead center, and BDC is the bottom dead center. So the piston move from PDC to TDC. Okay, so the piston move from PDC to TDC. Then it goes to reach at here. This is the dead center. It's a top dead center. Then the piston will come down. It is the bottom dead center. Here the bottom dead center. Okay, I see the crank, but the piston will not move up and down. This is the bottom dead center. So by this method, the pistons are moving from PDC to TDC. That time the ports are closed and one to open. The first step is inlet port open before TDC. So this is the inlet port. Now what I means, I'll show this one. So the piston will move from PDC. So before TDC means the piston move here. This inlet port will open. So here what I mean, this is the opening. Now see here little bit open. So is a complete just to open and complete close. This is the method to take a reading any port. If you have inlet port or transfer port or the exhaust port, just to open and complete close. Just to open means now only it will goes to open. So here open means you first check the mark. So how it will make a mark means first before taking reading you must note the TDC. Okay, TDC means this is the dead center. You first mark the TDC. Here one mark is there. This based on this mark you can check. You can put the mark at here. Okay, TDC. So I want to mark it here. This is the TDC. Now you put a mark at here. It is a TDC. Okay. Then I want to rotate the piston and it will come down. Now it will go to reach at the PDC. This is the PDC. Okay. Here the PDC is there. Okay. Here the PDC. So the mark is there. Here one mark is there. This mark, based on this mark, I want to mark it here. Okay, this is the PDC. Then after that, I want to take a first reading of inlet port. It will goes to move the piston from PDC to TDC. So before TDC, just to open means you check here. It is the correct method. So you see here, this is the just to open. Just to open means you mark it here. This is the inlet port open. This is the inlet port open. So before TDC, this inlet port is open. So TDC is there on this side. So before TDC, see here TDC is there. Okay. So inlet port open. Then after that remove the TDC. Second part is inlet port close. Inlet port close after TDC. After TDC means it will goes to reach at the TDC. Then the piston come down. It will goes to complete close. Complete close means you see here it is a complete close. So complete close before PDC. So here mark it here. It is the inlet port close. Inlet port close. So before after TDC. So the TDC is there. Here TDC is there. So after TDC, before TDC, there are two things are there. Okay. Then third point, the transfer port open. Transfer port means this one. Transfer port before PDC. So I want to see here the piston move from TDC to PDC. It will reach at here just to open. Just to open means if you put it at correct place, so just to open. See here open. So just to open. You see it here properly and then mark it here. Here. So it is a TPO. TPO means transfer port open. Transfer port open before PDC. So now I will rotate the piston move PDC. Then fourth point, transfer port close. Transfer port close after PDC. After PDC. So now I want to rotate the piston crank. So the crank rotate means the piston moved up. So it will goes to complete close. Complete close means it will come here. So now it will close. So I will mark it here. So what happens? It is the TPC. TPC means transfer port close after PDC. PDC is there. So after PDC, what happened? This port is closed. Okay, port is closed. Finally, we want to check the exhaust port open and close. So exhaust port open close, I want to see the hole properly and then only we can check it. So here, see here the transfer exhaust ports are there. So exhaust port open, the exhaust port I will go to move the piston, it goes to TDC. So exhaust port open before PDC. Before PDC means the piston will go up, then it will comes down. So it will come down towards PDC. So now what happens? The exhaust ports are open. Exhaust port now. Exhaust port. So here this exhaust port open before PDC. I want mark it here. So it is a EPO. Then after that I want to rotate the crank. What happened? The piston come to reach at the PDC. After that the piston move to upward. So it will towards to TDC. So what happens? The exhaust port closed. Okay, exhaust port closed after PDC. After PDC means complete close. Complete close means now see here this port is completely closed. See the port is completely closed. The port is completely closed. See this port is completely closed. Okay, so yeah, it will goes to completely close. Now it will completely close. So I want to mark it here. So this is exhaust port close. Exhaust port close. So after that you are measure all the things. You remove the paper. Okay, marking paper, you remove it and then you stress out. Okay, you check the TDC. Where I mark the TDC. So TDC is there. Okay, PDC is there. So here what is the first part? In the inlet port open before TDC. Before TDC. See. Okay, before TDC. So here inlet port open. Inlet port open here. Inlet port open. If you rotate here means inlet port open here. Then it will reach at the TDC. So inlet port open. So you measure the distance of this one and then you measure in between the distance. Okay. Then after that the inlet port closed after TDC. After TDC means it is the inlet port close is there. Inlet port close. Inlet port open. So inlet port close is there. So inlet port. See here TDC is there. You check the in between the distance and then after that means it will measure these two things. Okay, but the paper is not good, but this is the method. Okay, then PDC. Here PDC is there. So what is the next one? PDC is the transfer port open. Transfer port open is this, here is there before PDC, in between the distance of two things. Okay, then transfer port close is after PDC. Transfer port close after PDC. You measure this two distance. Okay, in between the two distance. Then exhaust port open before PDC. Exhaust port open here is there. It's a before open. Okay, after that the exhaust was closed. Exhaust port closed here, so in between the distance. So you measure the distance. So this is the calculation. Here what I means, there are mentioned the before TDC 4 centimeters are there. So you convert it into meter, it will comes to 0.04 meter. Okay, so how these angles are calculated I will tell later on. So like that, all the centimeters. Okay, you measure by the scales. You can measure the distance by scales and mentioned here it is centimeter. Then it will convert into calculator. So if you have some meters are there, how to convert the degree? How to convert the degree means, it is the formula is there. What is the formula for the calculation means, you can it is the things you can calculate 0.04 into into 360 means it is the surplus, total angle degree divided by the circumference. That means the circumference distance. Total circumference distance is we are not mentioned here, but anyhow the total circumference distance, see here 360 inch distance divided by circumference of the flywheel. Circumference of the flywheel you can put it at here 24. Okay, so 240. Okay, 240 I think. Okay, so you calculate, you multiply with two things, finally you get it the reading, how much readings are coming, how much values are coming. It will comes near 60 degree. So this is the diagram. So this is a TDC, it is a PDC. Inlet port, where is the inlet port open? So here see here, this is the diagram is there. It is a TDC, it is a PDC. So here the inlet port open, exhaust port opens are here there, the air is open. Here the inlet port open is there. Then inlet port close is here. Then exhaust port open, exhaust port close, and then transfer port open and transfer port close. Okay, like that these things are okay. So like that you can calculate and measure the degree. Okay, if you want to measure the 360 degree. Okay, 360 degree means inlet port open. So it is a TDC. Before TDC what happened? Here inlet port open. So inlet port close come to here. So after the inlet port close 63 degree. So you measure it here. After TDC 60 degree. Okay, same like before PDC 61.5 degree, the transfer port open means it is a PDC. So before PDC the 61.5, okay, 61.5 degree it will open means you mention it here. It will not mention properly, but it will come to here. Okay, it will come here. Okay, it will 61 means it will come here. And then 79% of exhaust port open out before PDC. Before PDC means it will come here. Okay, 73 means it will come here. Okay, 73, 61 and 70. Okay, like before means it will come like that only. Okay, then transfer port transfer port open before PDC. Before PDC I already told, exhaust port open before 79 degree here. Then exhaust port open, exhaust port close is 70 degree after PDC. After PDC means here will come. Okay, 70 degree. So like that the degrees are calculated.